Camping Adventures: Useful tips for a stress-free trip. Camping is a great way to spend time alone or with a large group. Being in nature can be a very soothing and relaxing experience, and camping can offer that. If you are looking for tips on how to make your next trip a relaxing one, this video can help. While you have this vision of a fun-filled camping trip, many times scrapes and cuts just seem to come with all that fun. Be sure you take a first aid kit with you into nature, because accidents just happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hopefully, it will stay packed safely away, but you will have the peace of mind that you are prepared if something does happen. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Use separate coolers for perishables, ice and drinks. While it does not matter if the perishables and drinks go into the same one, make sure to pack your ice separately. This will keep the temperature down so that you will have ice for much longer than you would have otherwise. Giving yourself enough time to enjoy your camping trip is key. Plan out your trip far in advance and get a couple of days off from work if possible. You want to enjoy yourself camping for at least a few days, that way you feel like you got the full experience out of it. You can make camping a fun and relaxing way to spend some time out in nature and enjoy all that it has to offer. Use the helpful tips shared in this video and you will have the time of your life next time you go on a camping adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.